Hello everyone, how are you all? So welcome to Mathematics Understanding Universe. So in today's discussion, I'll be focusing on the very basics of it. That's understanding physics. Okay. So what was the first word which came to your mind when you just heard physics? Was it Einstein, Newton, or force, energy, gravity? Okay. If you'll ask the same question to me, I would rather say physics is magic. Yes, physics is magic. So why am I saying this? Oh, magic. Isn't it magic that you are able to see me exactly how I'm speaking and how I'm moving my hands and everything just from a piece of metal box covered with piece of glass and plastic? Yeah, it might seem quite normal to you now, but just think in the perspective of someone 100 years ago, someone from 80s, 1800s or 1900s, and you will say the same thing about today. He'll be amazed. Right? That's what magic does, to amaze people. I'll give you another short example of a mad king who is in the year 1000 AD. Okay. So you just went on to him and said, "Hello, Mr. King, I have an idea for you. I propose this plan of you being able to see your entire army fighting with all their mights just by sitting in your auditorium itself. You'll be able to know who fought for you and you'll be able to know who was trying to betray you." The king will say, "Are you trying to fool me or trying to do some black magic?" Yeah, because he won't be able to contemplate that idea of having to see someone away and just real time. That's what is magic, right? Let's take another perspective of physics. That's predicting future. First thing foremost, any event happening ahead of your time is future. Let's take this example of cricket, our favorite. So there is this fielder who is about to catch a ball. So batsman has just swung his bat and let the ball be in the air for a while. So fielder is just running around and trying to predict where will the ball will gonna land. So initial information was fielder was focused on the batsman, and he just heard the sound when the ball just connected with the bat, and he analyzed with the vision the direction of the bat, the swing of the bat, the direction in which the ball was launched, with the sound, the speed the ball was being launched, and he is just staring at the ball in the sky and analyzing and predicting the trajectory of the ball. He runs and adjusts his position accordingly, and he predicts the exact place and time when the ball will gonna land. So what was he predicting? He was predicting exactly where the ball will gonna land. He was predicting when the ball will gonna land. All inside his mind, all inside his heads, all this calculation was going on naturally. So he was predicting future, right? So let's take this another example of us launching a satellite in space and expecting it to land on moon. That's Chandrayaan 2. Okay. So we have launched the satellite and we were predicting the exact place where the Chandrayaan 2 will gonna land, that Vikram rover will gonna land, that's near the South Pole, and when it will gonna land, the place and time. That was in future, something which will happen in future we were predicting. That's predicting future. Exciting? Cool. So what makes us different than other animals? So it was our ability to understand and apply nature as per our requirement. We have started this journey right from the Stone Age, when we first used those stone tools for our betterment. And the journey just kept on continuing right from we discovering fire, we discovering wheel, we discovering everything in between. So that's what it is. You can name it anything. You can say discovering as science, you can say applying as technology. But over there, in the fundamental level, there lies this thing called physics. Yes, so that's the reason I am focusing entirely on this particular word, physics. So what exactly is this physics? Okay, so it's all about discovering the mysteries of universe and how the universe is right from the atom to beyond these galaxies and entire cosmos. So that's where the beauty of physics lies, in discovering all those ideas, all those mysteries, all those fundamentals of how things works and what exactly the basic mechanism is there lying inside it. So how do you do it? You do it with all the clues, all the hidden mysteries. So universe is quite eager so that you discover it. That's where there is a statement called as we are universe, understanding itself. So how universe is allowing us to understand itself? Universe speaks to us. Universe speaks to us in the language of mathematics. Yes, that's the beauty of it. So we just need to talk to universe to discover mysteries with all basics equations, basic fundamental, all the laws universe is having and decode it itself in the language of mathematics. So come along with me in this journey of understanding universe in the language of mathematics in our series Mathematics, Understanding Universe. Thank you so much.